Bought bullion from a random seller or inherited some coins? Let's find out if they're real. Here are quick tests you can try at home. But remember, professional testing is always the safest option. Gold and silver aren't magnetic. If your piece sticks to a magnet, it's likely fake or gold-plated. Drop your metal in water. Real gold and silver sink. Fakes might float. For the acid test, rub your gold or silver on a black slate to leave a streak. Then apply a drop of nitric acid onto the streak. If it dissolves or changes color, it's not pure metal. Be careful, this method can damage your item, so it's not ideal for valuable pieces. Want to avoid risk? Visit Bullion Exchanges. We use advanced tools like XRF machines and Sigma Verifiers to ensure accuracy. The XRF machine quickly checks metal composition, and the Sigma Verifier detects authenticity through conductivity, both non-invasive and safe for your bullion. Got questions about testing precious metals? Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips from Bullion Exchanges.